corpse and the seed are both buried. A cooking pot goes in the fire. Many, many times. The stew but once. Grave and garden, meal and metal. Most life isn't human. Most life ends with the realization it is being torn apart and stuffed in something's mouth, and shredded and eaten. Or it lays down sick and gets worse and worse. Water is life. It comes from the heavens, but once fallen, it is soiled by the earth, dirtied. It then sinks below, into darkness, the place of graves and roots, fell worms decay. Life tries to grow upwards, away from the below. Puddles are corpses of dying water. Flies zip by. They may land on shit or something of great worth and beauty. The surface may mirror things it can never be. To sink into the dark soil is its fate. A bit does float up, to join the reflected clouds, like a soul to heaven. I realize everyone's life is separate and different, but after a while they converge into nothingness. We become one when we zero. There are people with blindness, there are people with one hand, there are people with diseased hearts, there are those that are the last page in a book. Every blanket is a winding shroud, every bed a resting place. It's so dark in this room, can't tell if it's a cell or a tomb. I can feel that there's writing on the walls, though if it's beautiful heart or insane rantings I can't tell. I just feel lines and ridges, flats and troughs. It's so dark. The anger is killing me. Iron-flavored water drips down from above and exits via a vent on the floor. Hunger has my stomach eating itself, me destroying me from inside, the walls of my stomach rent and torn by the nothingness and dark bile, the room inside me dying and marring its walls.